Hi, Catherine Kyle here from greenthickies.com. Today is day 18 of the Leaf System Challenge. How are you doing with the Leaf System Challenge? I really hope that you're making really good progress and that you've got all your meals sorted. I would love to hear from you, so post in the Leaf System Facebook group and let us know how you're doing. Now, today I want to answer a question that a lot of people ask me, and the question is, do I really need to count calories to lose weight? Now, before I answer this question, I want to let you know that my first priority for anything that goes into your mouth is that it needs to be healthy. So take it as a given that anything that I'm recommending, it is based on only eating healthy food, not eating any junk food. It doesn't matter whether that junk food is low in calories, I don't recommend it. I only recommend you put healthy things into your mouth. And the healthy things are the foods in the leaf system. So to answer the calorie, and we are assuming that you are eating the leaf system types of food, lots of fruit, vegetables, leafy greens, real food, unprocessed ingredients that you make from scratch. The answer is yes and no. Now, to answer this more specifically, somebody needs to be counting calories to lose weight. And earlier on I did talk about there are only two ways to lose weight, and one way to lose weight is to lose weight on purpose, and the other way is to lose weight by accident. Now, a lot of people who recommend healthy eating and detoxing recommend losing weight by accident. They just say, eat all these foods and you will lose the weight. But I want to help you to definitely lose weight. I don't want you to be wondering, am I going to go through all this hard work doing this detox and not lose any weight at the end of it? I want to guarantee that you do lose the weight, and the only way to guarantee that you lose the weight is to take in more calories than you burn, and therefore, yes, you or somebody else does need to be counting calories. Now, what we've done in the leaf system is we have counted the calories so that you don't have to. So literally all you do is eat the food that we've already done all the hard work for you. But yes, the answer is somebody does need to be counting calories, because otherwise you can be eating all this healthy food in the world, but if you're eating more calories than you burn, then you will not lose the weight. So another question that a lot of people ask me is, do I need to count calories forever? Now, it's a bit of a daunting process to think, oh, I've either got to calculate all the calories myself, or I've got to stick to a specific system for the rest of my life and I can't ever deviate. Well, that's not true either, because what happens is, and I've done this myself numerous times, I've counted calories so often that what happens is you get to know the certain calories that are in certain types of food, and you get to recognize with your eyes the portion sizes that give you those certain calories. So you might see, like with my Green Thickies, I follow a formula. So I have like 2 cups of liquid and 2 cups of fruit and 2 cups of this, and you know, a teaspoon of that and a tablespoon of this and 1/4 cup of that. And it's all based on number 1, taste, but also number 2, calories. And I follow that specific formula, and it makes it very easy for me to create tasty Green Thickies that also are in the right calorie range for weight loss. And that's what we do with all the meals. So if you've been on the leaf system for a while, you might start to recognize the correct portion sizes for the right calories for you. So you might recognize, well, I'll put 2 big handfuls of leafy greens in my salad, and then I might have 1/4 cup of nuts, or maybe I'll have 1 avocado in there, or maybe 2 tablespoons of oil or 1 tablespoon of oil, and you get to recognize how the calories make up a portion size, and then you can start to guess portion sizes. But when you start guessing, you do have to be a little bit more careful and keep a close eye on your weight. And if you're guessing, a lot of people over guess their portion sizes. They throw in a bit too much oil, too many nuts, and then before they know it, they're eating too many calories and their weight is gradually creeping up again. So you have to be really careful if you are guessing portion sizes, but it does definitely get easier. So I recommend just sticking to the Leaf System 100% at first and guarantee that weight loss, and then when you feel more comfortable and confident, you can start to experiment yourself. Make a salad with your favourite ingredients, and then you will know just by looking at it that it doesn't contain too many calories. So I hope that helps. You don't have to count calories forever, but it really does help to start with. Take care, and I will see you soon.